A week ago, I started a TikTok shop. I only put 1 day of work in it, really only about an hour. I got my shop started. I found one product that I think would sell. And to be fair, it's a product I have on the back burner from Facebook and eBay and stuff that I just never sold. But I was like, I really think this product's gonna sell. So I just had all the pictures and stuff still. I had ChatGPT write me a description and a title, did all the work for me. It literally took, I say an hour, there's no way it even took me an hour. It just, whatever it would take to sign up for TikTok and then list a product to it. Of course, TikTok had to approve my stuff and that took 24 hours. But they let you put products on it right then if you want to. So I went ahead and put my one product on there just to get it going. And the next day I had a sale. And then I fulfilled that order. And then the next day I had a sale and fulfilled that order. And then 2 days later I had another sale. And I've had 3 sales so far with no effort. It took me less than an hour of work one day. I don't even know anything about really how it works. I'm kind of learning as I go. I have not watched any videos, which you could argue is kind of stupid. It's smarter to go into this with more information. You know, you could argue, use all the tools at your disposal. I did not do that. I just wanted to learn as I went, kind of like what I did with Facebook with this entire channel. I just wanted to start, which a long time ago I tried to get one started, but I did it the complicated way with an LLC and everything, and that got rejected so quickly. But I just did this one with a sole proprietor and my personal information. Boom, done. Easy. It's like, why? I have way more legit ways of starting a shop, but for some reason they let me in with barely any information. I don't understand. But I'm already making money on it with no effort. And I wake up and I see another order and I'm just so surprised that that's where I'm at. So start a TikTok shop, obviously. Things I still need to figure out are, I don't even know if I'm doing the shipping thing correctly. I know that I have my item marked up enough that it covers shipping. And forgive me if I sound stupid. Those of you who are already selling on TikTok, let me know in the comments. I might be doing this wrong. I have it right now where I am buying shipping labels from TikTok to ship it out. I don't know. I kind of looked at it for a second. I don't know if you can do it like the other methods where you just provide them with the tracking number. So right now, and again, this might make me look dumb, but again, I'm learning it as I go. Right now, I'm ordering an item that is next day shipping to my house because you're supposed to ship these things within 24 hours on TikTok for the most part, from what I can tell. Again, I haven't really put much effort into it. And then I get them. I have a shipping label on my printer right now because I need to ship one out. And yeah, one of them came in a package that wasn't Amazon related. The last one I just found out was Amazon related, but I ripped it open, put a note in there saying I was like, hey, thanks for shopping at my small shop. P.S. Don't be alarmed. I'm just reusing old packaging that I had laying around because I'm waiting on a new shipment of packaging for my products. So, I tried to give it that like Etsy small shop feel, like they were being supportive. And who knows if that's going to bite me in the end. But I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And also let me know, before I started filming this video, I hopped on here and it says that I need to ship this within 24 hours and tomorrow's Thanksgiving. And right now, as I'm recording this, it's 4:54 p.m. and the post office closes at 5. So there's no way that I'm going to get this in the mail. So it's going to somehow flag for like late shipping. So we'll see what that does and I'll report on that as it comes. One of my problems with that recent one too is that the first 2 times I ordered it, it had been overnight shipping, like next day. But then the third time when I went to buy it, it was 2-day shipping. Still fast, but not fast enough because sometimes like if they order it at night, TikTok, unless you're checking it all the time, from what I've noticed, they email you like, here's all the orders you've gotten in the last 24 hours. So like they'll give me an email and I could have tried to fulfill it yesterday when the order was placed in the evening, but I don't see it until like 4 p.m. the next day. So like that, damn, I just lost a whole day on that. So that's something where it's like, I know I need to check this more often. I feel iffy on if I'm doing the shipping thing correctly. And I totally don't understand yet the order totals that I'm seeing when people place an order. because I'll go in there and it will show me like all the discounts they got, and then they get free shipping, so that the total number of the sale is like way lower than what my cost is. But then at the same time, underneath all that, it's like what you'll get paid, maybe, who knows? It's like an estimate. So I haven't yet seen what it looks like to get your money, because it was actually, I made 2 sales before I even put in bank information. So I imagine it's like, you know, that whole turnaround process that I just don't know the numbers of yet. But like everything else, I'm sure it's, you know, a good hefty amount once the item is actually delivered. So I have 2 delivered orders and 1 that's sitting right in front of me, in front of the camera, that I still need to slap a label on and ship out, I guess today, even though it's too late now. To be fair, I started this video because I was like, oh, I noticed the time, and I was like, dang, I need to get that to the post office. But I thought, instead of it being 4:48, I thought it said 4:58, which now it's 4:58. But anyway, I totally could have probably got it there and saved myself some headache. But we'll see now. That's called living with consequences. That's called owning up to your mistakes. So let me know if you guys are doing the TikTok shop stuff at this point. Like when I started with Facebook dropshipping, I'm gonna go in, learn as I go, and you guys feel free to fill in gaps of information for me. We can start this together. No, a bunch of you that have asked me, do you have a course yet? Do you have this? Like, no, I don't have a course yet. I haven't really started talking about it in the Facebook groups. I'm literally going in as a beginner right now. So that's pretty exciting for me, because I've always having to act as like, you know, staying on top of everything and understanding all the stuff so that I can help you guys and stuff. And I love the idea of me being a beginner, and if you guys feel like it helping me instead. So either way, I'm excited. It's very interesting. I just wanted anybody who watches this to know, like, I literally put in the minimal effort. I listed 1 product and got 3 sales on it without ever going back in and checking the shop. Like, I didn't go back in and be like, ooh, I should run an ad, or I haven't made content for it. I haven't done anything. When I made my first sale, I didn't even have it linked to a profile yet. It was only an item on a shop seller account, and that account wasn't even linked to an actual TikTok account yet. I have one linked to a TikTok account, but I still haven't made any like content for it, and I don't plan to. I also still need to check out that FBM Fox has it to where you can list on TikTok shops now. And now that I have one and it's made some sales, and I kind of understand how I get notified and all that kind of stuff, I need to check that out, because you can integrate FBM Fox now if you're familiar with that, or even if you're not, it's just going to be a great tool for it. It's the best dropshipping tool that I've used on any of my other dropshipping endeavors. Feel free to check that out. There will be a link in the description for that, though I have not used it yet. So I'm going to be honest with you right now. I still need to check that out, but I know I won't be disappointed, because they haven't disappointed me yet. So if you're already doing it and you're like, damn, this should be easier, check them out. Link in the description. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to this, you know, I really haven't made any TikTok content yet, or videos over TikTok shops. So if that's something you want to see more of, subscribe, comment, let me know what you do want to see, and I'll find that out for you and make a video for you. And don't worry, I can show screens and all that. I didn't bother with that for this one, because I liked just kind of hopping on here talking about it, because it's been a minute since I made a video. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.